How to fix FACEIT TPM 2.0 not detected error. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open your device and press on Windows R on your keyboard. And here, type in tpm.msc and press on Enter. After you press on Enter, it will lead you to this page. Here, check Status. Make sure the TPM is ready for use. After you've done that, simply restart your device. After you restart your device, you can simply go to BIOS and navigate to Security and enable PPT. If not, what you can also do is simply check 2.0 in TPM and make sure it's 2.0. After you've done that, you can close this tab and open Windows Security. In Windows Security, on the left side, click on Device Security. In Device Security, click on Security Processor Details. Here, click on Attestation and make sure it's ready and also storage is ready. After you do that, you're good to go. And this is how to fix FACEIT TPM 2.0 not detected error before launching. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.